Okay.
Hi everyone. Good
Hi,
evening.
Hi,
Namrata.
Namrata.
Hi. Hi Brenda. Hi Charu.
Hi.
So my journey began about 3 years ago. I was in a state of I had a lot of phobia. So and which was just increasing with time. And to an extent that I could have sat in a closet, not answered a single ring, and especially when the calls came from my family. So I was so scared about this that I spoke to a friend of mine. I said, this is getting very, very difficult for me. What should I do? So we just talked, and she gave me some advice here and there. And as luck would have it, she got in touch with Brenda and Charu, and she organized a session here in Lucknow. So she asked me if I would like to, learn. So I said, see, I don't have time. I'm in a very, very hectic job, and I come back very late. So it's very difficult. So she did her day one, and she was very, very excited. And she called me. She said, why don't you just come? It's 15th August and you can meet up with them. So, and she's a very close and dear friend of mine. So I couldn't say no to her. So I went, and she said, why don't you get your healing done? I said, I don't have the money. So I just wanted to, kind of, push her away and just be in my own state. So she said, here is money. So she gave me some 10,000 rupees, and she said, whatever it takes, just get your healing done. So, and now I was with money, with cash in my hand, with everything. And she said, she pushed me. She said, they are free right now. And both of them were very tied up because they had appointments. They said, no, I will speak to them and you just go. So I went, and I kind of broke down when I was talking to them. And they said, no problem. So it'll be done. And I just couldn't believe it. How can something be done with which I had been living for such a long time? So they did a single session on me, and it was like I was a turned leaf in a day or two. I didn't know. I mean, it everything of the past appeared so distant. I couldn't even imagine that 2 days ago I was in such a bad state, and now I am, kind of absolutely happy, chirping. Huge amounts of load was off me. I thought, like, this is just amazing. How can this be possible? This can't be true. So then I started, noticing what other changes were happening, and a number of a series of things happened. So then I told my friend, so she was the one who did it first. So she did the BNC miracle method, Manisha. So Manisha had done her level 1 and 2, and she was raving about it. I said, nothing doing, call them again. So she said, Brenda came from Dubai. How can she come here? I said, I don't know. I don't care. You talk to them. So as luck would have it, Charu was still in Jaipur. So, and Charu agreed. My good luck. So a session was, so the classes were held again exactly 1 month after they had left. I did my level 1 and 2, and any time that I got, I was just, clearing all my issues. So as we speak, I think about 6 months ago, I quit working, and the transition was seamless. I have been working for 20 years now. The transition was seamless. Not even for a single day I missed my job. Not even a single day I missed not getting my salary. And not even my independence. I didn't even want to step out of the house and be somewhere and spend that time. And then I called up Brenda. I said, Brenda, I need to do all the levels. She said, can you do them back to back? I said, I don't know. You have to put me through all these sessions and I will learn everything. So my journey from the third level onwards started then. I did my level 3, level 4, level 5. There's a spiritual enlightenment. I think Brenda will detail all of that. So every course that they announced, I did that course, and I did one this morning as well. And these are very powerful sessions. And one of the best things that happens is that the mind becomes relaxed, happier, and you can take challenges head on as you move on in life. So thank you so much, Charu and Brenda. And it's my pleasure to be able to introduce this to others who I hope and see join our group. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
Brenda.
Namrata. What an incredible journey, and you've spoken about it so beautifully. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks.
I love it when I don't have to ask more questions. Like
It feels like that pause.
Namrata like answered all my questions without like my having to raise them. And I think that's partly one of the benefits of learning BNC Miracle Method. You are able to communicate so beautifully.
Yes, and I would be happy to answer anything that you want me to.
I don't have any questions left for you, Namrata. I wanted to basically talk to you about what shifts you experienced in your life, and was it one thing I'd like to ask, and I think our audience always asks about this. Was it something difficult to learn, to get a grasp of? Did it take a lot of practice?
Actually, this is like bicycle. So once you ride a bicycle, you can keep riding it.
Hmm.
So once you learn the technique, so it's a method. Um, can I tell you another interesting story?
Yeah, of course.
A short one.
Yeah, of course.
So a cousin of mine, she's very spiritual. So I keep having these debates with my sister and my cousin. So both of them are spiritual. They meditate and all that. So initially, when I learned, I thought this cousin would have no negatives. So when I checked on the chart, she had 6 negative energies. So which Brenda will detail. So I told her, I said, you have 6 energies. She said, just wait and watch. Within a month, it'll all be gone. I said, all right. So I continued with my life, she continued with hers. Then we met again. She said, or she called me up. She said, can you check? Because I have been really meditating very hard. I checked. I said, you still have 6. So she said, can't be possible. I said, yes, you have. She said, okay, give me 15 more days. I said, you take 100 more days. We'll check again. So after 2 days, she said, you check again. I said, it's still there and maybe more. So she said, now will you? I said, yes, I will. So, what I understood of this is that this is a method. So, till such time to have a method, we will not be able to do something. If a surgery is a method and you can remove tumor, you can't remove by any other way. There may be, but then you need a method. So, to put it in a nutshell, BNC is a method. And if you have that method, you can do a lot of wonders in your own life, and you can achieve a mental state which is something, we always want to be in a state of peace and quiet and happiness. I'm not saying that I don't get angry. I do get angry, but the thing is, my reactions have become much better, and my anger will stay for a much lesser time. And so all these things, so my behavior has altered for the better.
How fabulous. How wonderful.
Awesome.
Thank you so much, Namrata. Thank you for sharing.